Okay, so what are they? What are fridge foods?
It's when you find food in your refrigerator, then it becomes a fridge food.
What's the acronym stand for?
I don't want to be. I'm not good at this. I don't have the YouTube courage.
You got it. Come on, man. Tell me. F is for friends that do stuff together.
R is for refined sugar. E is for eggs. D is for dairy. And G is for gluten.
Woo! Okay.
And F is for fried foods, in case that wasn't clear.
You were
not friends.
So, get back here. So, if you guys have been watching my channel a long time, you will know her face. We've done a lot of travel videos together. We went to Atlanta together. We went to New York together. So you probably recognize her. This is my best friend, Emily.
Hi.
Her name is Emily, and she just told you guys the #1 thing to do when you're trying to heal your eczema, and it's avoid fridge foods. Now this is an acronym I made up, and it's spelled F-R-E-D-G, fridge. It's just so you guys remember. Fried foods, refined sugar, eggs, dairy, gluten. So the second simple way to get rid of your eczema is to start implementing supplements to your advantage. So one supplement that you can take is called milk thistle, and what this does is it helps your liver detox. So if you're in stage 1, your eczema is super itchy, super miserable, you can take milk thistle once at lunch and then once with dinner, and it helps your liver start to detox the chemicals that are naturally found in things like fruits and vegetables. So this compound is called salicylates. There's also things like histamines, and all of those they come naturally in your food. And you can take milk thistle to help your liver try to detox all of those things so that it's not detoxing through your skin and you don't have a massive itching fit. So the second supplement you can use is called glycine. So I recommend taking this before bed, maybe like an hour before. It really helps with sleep. It doesn't make you drowsy, it doesn't make you go to sleep, but once you're asleep, it keeps you asleep. And so glycine is an amino acid, and it helps to repair leaky gut. So the third thing that you can do to start to reduce your eczema is use essential oils to your benefit. And I actually just put out a video about this. It's all about how essential oils can help heal your eczema a little bit faster and how you can implement it into your moisturizing routine. And you can also use them in baths. So some essential oils that I like to use is lavender, geranium oil, tea tree oil, and chamomile. The fourth thing that you can do to change in your life so that you can start to heal your eczema is to de-stress. So stress is a major, major thing when it comes to eczema. So the root of eczema in most cases is that you have what's called leaky gut or intestinal permeability, which means that all the toxins, all the things that you've been eating, all the stress in your life has been causing holes that form in your intestines. And you can research this on your own or watch some of my other videos. It's a long story, but basically leaky gut is the core cause of eczema. Well, stress can actually cause leaky gut. So something very important to do is create a de-stressing routine. Now, what's awesome is if you need more help beyond this video, I actually just released an ebook. I put it out on my birthday, April 21st, 2019, and it goes through all the different aspects of your life. And so it's everything from social life, how to eat out, how to take your supplements, what nutrients are super important to healing. It touches on the diet. Basically, it encompasses everything in your life into one. And so you can purchase that on my website. You can go to coachmichellmills.com and you should see it right there. So the fifth thing that you should do to reduce your eczema is to reduce toxins in your life, so especially around your home. You may not know this, but a lot of cleaning products contain very toxic ingredients that when you're exposed to it in your house, it can actually lead to toxic overload, which is a lot of the reason you guys have eczema. So what you can do is research like DIY house spray or whatever you need. You want to try to get away from harmful ingredients, and something that I like to use is called EWG.com, and it's called the Environmental Working Group. And so basically this organization has gone through and tried to give you guys recommendations and tell you when things are toxic. So you can actually just like look up the ingredients that are found in your everyday household products. Fun fact, Lysol is not good for you. Anything that has the ability to kill 99% of bacteria is killing your good bacteria. Killing the good bacteria in your body will then lead to you being exposed to bad bacteria that your body has trouble fighting off. Going right along with that is number 6, and it's detoxing your personal care products. This means your shampoos, conditioners, face moisturizers, your makeup. There are so many toxins found in so many of these products. Famous brands like Pantene, Garnier, L'Oreal, all of these brands have very toxic ingredients in it, and you can use, again, EWG.com or .org, Environmental Working Group. Look it up and you can test to see if the products that you like are in fact clean. So just a little heads up, one makeup company is called 100% Pure. I have another video all about makeup on eczema. So basically, I've put this video together because I now have a lot of videos. I probably have 100 videos just on eczema at this point. And so I wanted to create a video where all of the information came into one and you can get the most important pieces and start making changes in your life. Okay, so number 7 is to get more sun. So of course you don't want to burn your skin. That will lead to things like cancer, like skin cancer. It is releasing free radicals in your body. However, getting a daily amount of sun, around 20 minutes daily, is very, very, very important for your whole body. It helps with depression, it helps with your immune system. So the sun helps your body metabolize what's called vitamin D. And so vitamin D is critical in so many different ways. It helps improve your mood, it helps the absorption of calcium, which means strong bones, healthy bones, especially as you age, and it helps your immune system. And so if you know anything about the biology of eczema, your immune system is impaired. And so it's actually called an autoimmune disorder. The 8th thing you guys can do for healing your eczema is to avoid pollution. So if you're thinking about moving in the near future, try to look for a city that is less polluted. New York City is not really a great city for trying to heal your skin unless you live in the neighborhoods around it. Being around fumes of the cars, around the cigarette smoke all the time. If you smoke yourself, consider giving up that habit, please. All of these things can contribute to the toxic overload. So every day you're ingesting all these chemicals. Something extremely interesting I learned is that you can actually absorb the chemicals that are coming off of other people. So during rush hour, in the air, not only is there car fumes, but there's also people's hair care products, their lotions. All those chemicals can be released into the air and then you are then breathing it. So if you can move or if you can avoid pollution, I highly encourage you to do that. The 9th thing that we're going to talk about is bathing. So I talk to my clients a lot about this. So if you are not familiar with me, I am a certified health coach. I offer a 6-week-long program where I help you heal your skin. So you get support from other people going through it. You get my full support until you heal. And you get a full diet plan and everything. And so if you're interested in that, go to my website again, coachmichellmills.com. So going back to my explanation about my clients, they ask me all the time what their bathing routine should be. And I tell them, if you sweat, you should take a shower or a bath. But if you're not sweating during the day, feel free to take a couple days. As long as you don't have body odor, your bacteria is under control, you can go a couple days. And I know for a lot of people, not bathing every single day does help their skin quite a bit. It helps if you're not stripping your skin of its oils, and it helps if you aren't over moisturizing. And so that's actually my 10th tip, so let me not get ahead of myself. So my suggestions for bathing, you can bathe with dead sea salt, you can put in some lavender essential oil drops, and that can be part of your nightly de-stress routine. So my 10th and final tip is all about moisturizing. You need to be very careful about what you're using on your eczema. If your moisturizer says the word water, throw your moisturizer in the trash because it's actually drying your skin out. You want to avoid Eucerin, you want to avoid all those big names like Aveeno. Try to go to the basics. So what you want to do is actually mix your own moisturizer up. You can take shea butter, heat it up in your hands, add a couple drops of tea tree oil or a couple drops of geranium oil, and apply that to your skin once or twice a day, preferably no more than that. So my clients have also been talking a lot about what oils work for them. So for some people, you're gonna have to try out different oils. So castor oil works very well for one of my clients. Another person uses coconut oil with a lot of success. And then I've seen the most success with shea butter, which is why I recommend it to you guys so often. So those are my 10 simple tips to take your skin from aching, itching skin to at least some relief. So I hope these tips help you. And if you start to implement them and you feel better, please message me, let me know, because that really makes my day and it makes everything I do worth it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I like crashing waves, I wanna see them.